Hi, welcome to Markets of Sunshine. Did you know that being a part of a community and participating actually improves your mental health and builds self-esteem? Well, that's what this challenge is all about. Embrace your imperfections. It's all about joining a community, participating, and building your self-esteem. Hi, I'm Marsha, and welcome to Markets of Sunshine. This channel is all about helping women build their self-esteem by unlocking their creativity and being a part of a community. So I hope you will subscribe and join in the fun. Now, if you'd like to participate in this challenge, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel here, Markets of Sunshine, with a public account. And if you want to post in your projects in the Facebook group, it's Slow Stitching Sampler Series. I will put that in the description box below as well. And to participate, all you need to do is make a 3x5 fabric embellishment using your slow stitching. And I'm going to make an example, a little sample piece here to show you how to do this. And that speaks a lot more than clearer than I can tell you. So you will need to begin with a 3x5 piece of batting or felt. And then you will need to have a foundation piece to go on top of that. And so that's what I'm doing here. And I decided I just wanted to go with something neutral. So I first got a piece of cardstock, cut it down to 3x5, and I used that as my template to actually cut the piece of felt. And now I'm going to just trim this white cotton fabric that I decided to use as my base for the foundation piece. And then what you're going to do if you want to participate, be a part of this community, be a part of this challenge, is you're going to make a 3x5 fabric foundation piece and mail it to me. And I'm going to embellish it. I'm going to finish it. Okay, so first thing you're going to need is your 3x5 piece of felt, your 3x5 piece of foundation base fabric. Then you will need some scrap pieces of fabric. And just decide what you want, how you want them to be on your base piece. I just went through my stash, picked up a bunch of scrap pieces. Not really concerned at the moment about what it looks like. Okay. So this purple piece, I think I'm going to take that off. There we go. Okay. Well, that worked out perfect. Okay, now, so I'm going to pin this back down. And that's how simple it is for you to participate in this challenge and make a foundation piece to send to me. If you merely want to take the felt, the foundation base, and put 2 pieces of fabric on top of it, just like I just did, and mail this to me, that's perfectly fine. I'm more than happy with that. I'm delighted to have that. I'm just delighted that you will participate. And then to get my mailing address, all you need to do is to sign up on my mailing list, my newsletter, Sunshine Makers Club. And that link is going to be in the description below. Let me know in the subject line you're participating in the Embrace Your Imperfections challenge. And then give me your name so that I can verify you on my channel. If you're in my Facebook group, give me your name there so I can verify you in the group. And then I will send you my mailing address, and then you mail me your foundation piece. So it needs to have these elements. So it will need to have, I'm going to write this down again so that it's clearly understood, a 3x5 felt or batting base, a 3x5 cotton fabric base on top of that, and then other whatever filled in, then this needs to be filled in with other cotton fabric pieces. Okay. And then mail them to Marsha. Okay. That is it. Quick and easy. And this can be done in a regular envelope that's only going to cost you, in the United States, whatever the postage is, 68 cents or whatever it is nowadays. I don't know. 66, 68, whatever it's at currently. Goes up all the time. Now, if you're out of the United States, you're still welcome to participate, but you would have to pay for that postage as well. And then you can enter this challenge, Embrace Your Imperfections challenge, from now, and it ends on May 1st. So it begins today, March 28th, and I need to receive your piece, your entry in the challenge, no later than April 25th. So the mail, well, let's say mail by date. Mail by date is April 25th. Not that I need to receive it, but mail by April 25th, 2024 to Marsha. Okay. And then on whatever I have received, if I've received any before May 1st, then on May 1st, I will start to show them here on the challenge, say who sent it, and I will only say your name and what part of the, where you're sent it from, you know, the state, the country, something like that. And then I will embellish it. I will finish it here and show you. Now, then it gets really fun from here. In order to, I want to also be clear on this, I want to be seeing comments from you on my videos, and especially on this one that you're entering the challenge. And then from this video going forward, or if you're binge watching any of my videos, please leave me a comment. And I will be doing a giveaway. So at the beginning of June, whatever I have completed and embellished one at a time, I am going to give away and gift these little embellishments to the community members that are commenting here on my channel, on my videos. So that is a way for me to give back to you. That's a way for you to be a part of the community, to be appreciated, to be seen. It builds your self-esteem, and then you can use that little embellishment in any of your projects. Isn't that going to be fun? I think that's going to be such a fun idea. And so then, to make this even more exciting, when I reach 2,000 subscribers, I am going to make a small one signature junk journal with a fabric cover, and all of you in the community will be able to enter that giveaway. So at every 1,000 subscriber increment, so 2,000 subscribers, 3,000, etc., 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 then I will be giving away something that I've made here on my channel to you. And to be able to receive and to be able to enter that giveaway, you need to be a regular commenter here on my channel, not a one-time commenter, unless you're a brand new person that just found my channel. But anyway, so that would be really, I really want to grow my community. I want to really grow the engagement. And I think this is a fun way to do it and a great way to do it. And it helps you to come out of your comfort zone, start making something. And then for June, I want to do another challenge similar to this, but we're going to do it with paper. And I thought that would be something cute too. And I thought we're going to make cards. So it's the same thing. I'm going to give you the idea of the card base to send to me, and I will finish it in embellishment, and I will do the same procedure, doing a giveaway, and you have to be active on the channel and then a participant in the challenges. So you have to be a participant in the challenge to be able to be qualified for the giveaways that I will be sending off these little gifts. So it's a wonderful thing. So it's a part of you and it's a part of me going to be gifted to somebody here in our community, somebody in our Facebook group. Isn't that wonderful? I think that's really wonderful. So I hope to see lots of you entering. I hope signing up to participate, going out of your comfort zone. You know, you can do this. And I wanted to show you some of the past things I've done here on my channel. These were just decorating recipe cards. I wrote the date. This was a 2021 series I did here on my channel, embellishing recipe cards. This one I did as fabric, and others I did with paper. So it's going to be similar to this, but it's going to be, instead of you just watching me, this is going to be a community effort so that you can make the foundation piece and I will embellish it, I'll finish it, and then you get to hopefully be one of the winners. So you'll get to be a recipient as well. So the rules, again, will be in the description below, but just rewatch the video if you're not clear. My email address will be in the description below for you to send me the information, and I'll send you my mailing address. The deadline and everything will be in the email that I'll send back to you as well, and I hope to see lots of you participating. So stay safe, keep creating in the sunshine, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.